Hey guys, welcome back to Pinch of Pink Salt. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. It's so gorgeous and sunny. I just had to open up the windows, let all that natural light in. For those of you who are new here, my name is Chanel. It's really nice to meet you. Here at Pinch of Pink Salt, we make simple and delicious recipes every single week. So if you have not already subscribed, definitely consider subscribing. That way you'll be notified every time. Hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I put out a new recipe. So you can wow all your friends and even yourself. Okay, so today we're going to be making something really simple. It's a great recipe, or a few recipes for those who have a really hard time eating breakfast, like myself. I wake up with just enough time to get ready to go to work in the morning, and I work Monday through Friday. I love this recipe because it's so easy to make, and I can make it the night before. I can make it a few days before, and that is overnight oatmeal. Now, I know you have all heard about overnight oatmeal, so you already know it's really easy to make. I'm going to show you my 4 favorite ways to make it. They are so delicious. I know you're all going to love it. Let's get into it.
Alright, we're starting off with chocolate chai, and to some almond milk, I'm going to be adding some cocoa powder. My sweetener of choice, I'm using agave. I'm also going to be adding some cardamom. This is what is going to give it that really nice chai flavor. I added in some cinnamon, my chia seeds, and some freshly brewed coffee. The coffee is totally optional, but if you're anything like me, you do not go to bed when you say you're supposed to. So just add a little bit of coffee, you will thank me later. Now we're adding in our old-fashioned oats. We're going to mix that in, put our lid on top, and put this in the fridge. Guys, that was so easy, right? Now we're working on maple brown. This is the easiest of all 4. We're just adding some maple syrup, some cinnamon, our chia seeds, and a little pink salt. We're gonna mix this together and then add our old-fashioned oats. Mix that up, put our lid on top, and put this in the fridge. Alright, peanut butter banana. We're adding in some maple syrup, cinnamon. I did not have fresh bananas, but I did have frozen, so I just popped them in the microwave, mashed them up a little bit, and added it to my mixture. Same thing with my peanut butter. I warmed it up just a little bit so it's easier to mix. Mix everything together, add in your oats, mix it all up. Do not forget those chia seeds. And once you have everything mixed, put your lid on and put this in the fridge. Guys, this literally takes, 2 minutes. Alright, last but not least is my raspberry banana. I added in some pink salt, chia seeds, bananas, and some raspberry pods. I mixed this up, added in my oats, popped my lid on, and put this in the fridge. And we put everything in the fridge overnight. The next morning, it is going to be nice, creamy. All the flavors have blended together. If you're on the go, you gotta head out the door. You can take it as is, or you can garnish it with a little yogurt, some fresh fruit, and have it when you get to work. But if you have time, if it's the weekend or you have the day off, definitely, I highly recommend eating your oatmeal in a bowl. That's how I like to eat it. So I added some yogurt, some fresh fruit, and some shaved chocolate to the top of my chocolate chai. This one has to be my favorite by far. I just love that chocolate flavor with the chai. The cardamom is just so good. Next we have maple brown. To this I also added some yogurt, a little more maple syrup, and some cinnamon on top. This one was so delicious. It reminded me of fall, even though we are far from fall, but it took me back. Alright, peanut butter banana. Of course, you know I had to add some bananas and some peanut butter. I also added yogurt. You can tell, guys, I really love yogurt, right? I drizzled on a little more agave. And if you are a peanut butter lover like myself, you guys are going to love my peanut butter banana oatmeal. It is just so rich and creamy and thick, but not too thick. It's just perfect. My raspberry banana was so delicious. It was tart but sweet at the same time. I love that sweet tart combination of flavors. I topped it with some yogurt, some raspberry pods, some freshly sliced bananas, and some agave. And this one aesthetically had to be my favorite. It was so pretty and pink, but the flavors definitely did not disappoint. It is so good, and I know you guys are gonna love this one too.
Alright guys, I really hope you all enjoyed those recipes. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, which one are you dying to try first. And if you know anyone else who struggles with making their breakfast in the morning and who needs something that's quick, easy, and can be made the night before or even a few nights before, share this recipe with them. I know they'll appreciate it. Again, we put out new videos every single week. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified. If you like this video, please give us a like. It really helps us out. And until next time, have a great day. Bye.